Okay, Lewis, what do we have?
Right, we have ketchup, mustard, tuna cucumber, which we both hate, new Rowntree's sour pastels, coffee, which Elias hates, ginger beer, which I can't stand,
Oh,
and another pack of sour pastels.
that is lovely. And we're going to eat all of this, right?
Yeah, hopefully.
Okay.
Round one.
Right, so what?
Shit.
Right, you got ginger beer, and I've got... you have...
Shit, we need some water.
Alright.
I've got some water.
Right, so... do you just drink it all the way?
But yeah, we have one water, right? I get a head start. 5 second head start.
I said...
Okay.
It's unfair.
No, but I have 100 more mil. Come on.
I
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On.
Oh shit.
You don't have to finish it.
I can't.
Alright.
Oh shit. Shit, that was really bad.
Oh, surprisingly...
How did you finish that? Oh god. Oh.
Alright, what's next?
It's gonna be sick. 2.
It's okay.
Round 2.
So we have 2 bowls of ketchup. If I could do... There we go. Alright.
Oh, I thought it was mustard as well.
Yeah, we're gonna put mustard in. We're gonna put mustard in.
Mustard? Yay.
That's good.
Right. Are you ready? 3, 2.
1 minute, stop. Alright, 1 minute. Right, so we have a taste of it first. Just
Just
a
one?
yeah, one taster.
We never had them before, so
Yeah.
let's go. Hard to chew.
It is.
Shit.
It's really nice, actually.
Hard to chew. I have an ulcer too. Oh, that really hurts.
I'll break you.
I have an ulcer. Down. He's still going.
It's got stuck in my braces, I think.
Oh god, that's disgusting.
Uh-huh.
Can't be something braces. Okay.
Oh,
Tell me when you're ready.
I can't have it if it got stuck in my braces.
Is that a forfeit?
Alright.
Is that a forfeit?
No. I can still chew it.
What did you just do?
No, just, you know, I can still chew it. Alright.
Oh god, right. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
So right now I have all of them in my mouth. That sounded really wrong. I have all the sour pastel things in my mouth. He's still got a few left. And it's taking me time because I have braces.
Lost bet.
Alright, all gone. Looks like I've got bits stuck in.
Fuck you. Still chewing?
I have bits stuck.
Done. And you're still chewing?
I have bits stuck in my braces.
Well, I have an ulcer.
Alright, then you win that one.
Win.
Alright.
biology.
Right.
Let's go.
So,
count us in.
3, 2, 1.
Oh shit.
Oh crap.
Oh.
I was. But you did forfeit first. Because I win this week. I win.
2-1 Elias, well done. I write like an idiot. Winner, Elias.